You've been saving money your whole life and somehow still feel behind. Meet Dana. She's 34, works overtime every chance she gets, and has $18,000 sitting in her checking account. She checks the balance every Sunday morning and feels proud, responsible, safe. But 5 years later, that same $18,000 buys noticeably less than it used to. Groceries cost more, rent costs more, everything costs more. And Dana never touched a single dollar of it. Here's what nobody tells you. Doing nothing with your money is still a decision. Inflation runs at roughly 3% a year on average, which means your savings are quietly shrinking in real value every single month, even if the number in your account stays the same. You're not protecting your money by leaving it still. You're just watching it slowly lose a fight it doesn't even know it's in. The people building wealth aren't necessarily earning more than you. They just stopped letting their money sit on the bench and started putting it in the game. So here's one thing you can do this week. Open a high-yield savings account or a basic index fund. Both take about 15 minutes to set up online, and you don't need thousands of dollars to start. Even moving $500 into an account that earns 4 or 5% interest means your money is finally doing something while you sleep. You don't need to become a financial expert overnight. You just need to take one small step from storing money to growing money, and let time do the heavy lifting from there. Your job is to earn it. Your money's job is to multiply it, but only if you give it somewhere to go. Have you ever looked at your savings account and realized your money has just been sitting there doing nothing? And what finally made you decide to change that?